It has been quite the weather week for us here in central Ohio. Really, though, around the country, we're seeing a lot of these weather events.
We're seeing things that we don't often see grouped together.
Yes, yeah.
We've had everything from tornadoes, flooding rains, and the side of the river still very high.
Yeah.
And now we throw in a relatively rare, strong or at least moderate earthquake west of New York City. That's unusual, not rare, I should say, because the East Coast does get earthquakes, but this one is going to be a big news story as right now no reports of any significant damage or injuries, but 50 miles west of New York City, a lot of shaking going on all the way from near the nation's capital, felt up into Maine, and it is associated with some very deep old faults that are not well known. And we had tornadoes, of which are still being counted. Pittsburgh National Weather Service office not rating yet. Tornado in Guernsey County, northwest of Cambridge, near and southeast of Zanesville, 2 more in Muskingum County. We know about EF0 in Licking County, EF1 in Adams County. So that's 5 so far for Tuesday, still being mapped. Takes a while to complete the surveys. As I mentioned, the side of the river is still high and muddy, starting to go down, but cresting almost 7 feet above flood stage down at Circleville. And there was flooding, of course, around Prospect in southern Marion County and also LaRue to the north and west. Window Nation Tower camera view showing the clouds, that big swirling storm. Northern New England has had over 20 inches of snow. Same for upstate New York. Still getting snow showers down through portions of the northeast into West Virginia, about a ½ foot at Tucker, West Virginia. Freeze warning tonight. Well, skies are going to clear and we have this cold air mass in place. But after a couple of frosty weekend mornings, we're going to see a significant warm up, and especially next week, then we're talking like 65 to 70. We'll all be happy with that. But still very chilly. A little bit of sun from Columbus south has got us into the low 40s, 43 in the city. Clouds filling back in. Delaware, Mount Vernon just 36. And instability, sprinkles, and maybe a stray snow flurry, all possible this afternoon with a chilly northwest wind. Now wind gusts going up over 20 miles an hour, part of that broad counterclockwise circulation. That low is just kind of spinning its wheels. It does look like we'll see some clearing Monday afternoon for the eclipse, not so much in the south, but this is the path of totality. So cloud cover ranging from 10 to 50% would be pretty good, but we'll update that through the weekend. We wouldn't want a pattern like we have today with all this cloud cover and spotty light showers. Some clearing this evening, tomorrow morning down to the low 30s. A few clouds tomorrow afternoon around 50. Sunday morning, another chance for freeze. Sunday afternoon, more sunshine as we go later into the day, but heading into early next week. And for the eclipse, it's this system that has to come through Sunday night. And then as we get into Monday morning, those clouds should begin to break up. 44 clouds linger, a stray shower or two this afternoon, about 44. Freezing temperatures in the morning, so you got to protect any plants or any plants you put out, say on the deck. You want to get them inside. 50, partly sunny, more sun than clouds on your Saturday and Sunday. Clouds will thicken up Sunday night, some rain showers. They should exit, Jennifer, in time for the eclipse with breaks of sunshine, 67, 71 Tuesday, and then rain returns midweek with spring-like temperatures.
All right, look.